Thank you for calling. My name is Charlie. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to return the flowers my ex ordered for me, please. At saka I would also like to include a voicemail response.
I understand, ma'am, but perhaps you would like to have a conversation with the sender instead. I can arrange a direct call if you want to.
It's okay. Hindi na kailangan. That part of my life is over. And super ma-appreciate ko if you could just help me send a voicemail.
Absolutely. Whenever you're ready, I will start recording.
Mahal, I received your flowers and listened to everything you said. I got emotional. Hindi dahil masaktan ako. Not because I was angry, but because for the first time, Mahal, you finally said all the words I had spent years waiting to hear. 15 years. 15 years of love, of patience, of holding on. And I don't regret a single one of them. Kasi pinili ko yun. Kasi ginusto ko yun. Kasi mahal kita. Loving you was never a mistake. It was just a love that ran out of time. My love, hindi ako nagtampo dahil inuna mong abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Naiintindihan kong kailangan mo munang buuin ang sarili mo bago ka maging sigurado. Ang hiling ko lang naman sana, isinama mo ako sa proseso. Nung nag-propose ka, nasaktan ako. Not because I don't love you anymore, but because it took you 15 years to be sure of me. Tapos sabi mo, you always knew it was going to be me in the end. Mahal, kung sigurado ka naman pala, bakit hindi mo ako pinili noon pa? Did it really take you 15 years kasi nag-aantay ka lang ng tamang pagkakataon? Or it took you that long because I was never the dream? I was just part of the backup plan. But it's okay. It's over now, so I'm returning the flowers. Not to leave you with questions or regrets, but to say thank you. Thank you for everything, my love. I hope you find the happiness we always dreamed of. I hope you get to live the life we always prayed for. And I hope kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng panahon, maaalala mo ako. Not as the girl who walked away, but as the girl who loved you with everything she had for as long as she could. Hindi man ito ang pagtatapos na ginusto ko, masaya pa rin akong naging parte ako ng kwento mo. Kahit hindi ako ang naging wakas nito. And one last thing. Remember when I kept telling you to always reach for the stars because we never really know how much time we have left? Turns out, I do.